In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can wear multiple hairs in Roblox in very easy steps. For the first step, after opening Roblox in your browser, from home page, you can simply click on these three lines from left top side, and here you will get these multiple options. Click on that avatar. After clicking on it, you will be on this window here of avatar edition. If you click on that head and body and open hairs from here, it will show you these multiple hairs, but you can choose only one hair at a time. So to wear multiple hairs, what you need to do is open new tab and simply search for Chrome extensions. If you scroll it down, you will find a Chrome web store. Open it and simply search for BT Roblox. Here it is, open it and click on add to Chrome. After adding it to Chrome, you can click on that puzzle icon and simply pin it from here. After pinning it, you need to open Roblox again. Simply refresh it from left top side. So before the last step, I want to tell you that I'm giving away these top boxes. If you want that, you can simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and simply comment your username here. So to wear these multiple hairs, you can click on head and body, and if you open this hairs, it will show you your all hairs. Now you can select multiple hairs in just one click like this.